Hey besties! Welcome to Too Sweet Designs University. Today, I'm showing you how to create faceless lifestyle content for free using my Too Sweet Content Studio app, plus how to animate it using Grok AI. If you're ready to level up your content, grab the free app in the description and let's get started.
This is the email you will get. You will click right here, download your free content app. You will get this screen and you want to click here to access your app. This is the app. So the first thing you want to do is right here where it says upload character. This is required. You want to click on it and upload your character. I'm going to choose her. All right, environment, we're going to skip over this, and product UGC. We're going to skip over this. For the vlog category, we have work from home, morning routine. I'm going to click, let's do shopping haul. You can describe your content. I'm going to leave it like that. Camera style, I'm going to do tracking shot. And hairstyle, you want to add your text here. I'm going to put dreadlocks and high bun. All right. For outfit, I'm going to put I'm going to do streetwear baddie. All right. And then skin tone, light. Makeup, I'm going to do soft glam baddie. And nails, I'm going to keep it on French tip. I'm going to generate character. So you wait for it to generate your character. All right. And if you approve of this image, you go ahead and click confirm and generate storyboard. And you wait for the magic. All right, so here's your storyboard. And it's rendering your images. Okay. So that's the welcome. You got showcase your first item. Ooh, unboxing sneakers. Haul wrap up outro. Love it. All right. So next I'm going to download my images. All right, and next I'm going to go over to Grok AI. This is a free tool as well. All right, and next I'm going to go to Imagine. And I'm going to choose my photos in order. So with Grok AI, you can enter a prompt or let them generate your videos. So right now it's generating my videos, so I just go with that. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and download this. This is fine. And next, I'm gonna go and grab my next photo. And like I said, you can have Grok just animate your photos, or you can put in a prompt. Okay, and let's proceed to the next one. Now, me personally, I would grab the prompt and put it in there right here. I would enter it right here and do the automation. But for right now, I'm just going to go ahead and let it do its thing. Okay, so this one generated pretty fast. So we're going to go to the next one. This is the last one. And we're going to let it generate. All right. So I'm going to download this video. And let me download this one. All right. So next, we're going to head over to CapCut. New video. Allow full access. And I'm going to bring in all my videos I just did. And I'm missing one. This is the last one. Okay. I'm going to click add 3. I am missing one. Oh, the hoodie. All right. And let me see. I haven't been on CapCut in a while. Not on my phone anyway. So I'm going to add this one. So now I need to put it in order. I normally do this on my phone. I think. This one. Let's see, which one is this? This is the last one. Okay. All right. So I have that. And I'm going to go ahead and put this on mute, because a lot of times Grok, not only does it generate the videos, it also add like sound to it. So I'm just going to put it on mute just in case I decide to add music to it. So I'm going to go ahead, and this is what it looks like. You can add transitions to this, and you can put text on the screen.
That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this helped you unlock how powerful faceless content can be using my TooSweet Content Studio app, and how easy it is to level it up with Grok AI animations. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on those notifications so you don't miss the next class. Don't forget, the free app link is in the description.